Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to clear your browsing history on the iPhone 13 Pro. First, we're going to open the Settings app, and then go down to Safari, and then make our way down to Clear History and Website Data. And if we do this, it will be clearing the history, the cookies, and other browsing data. So clear history and data. And that's it. That is how to clear the history and browsing data on the iPhone 13 Pro.